If you are new to offering your services online as a freelancer, then you may not have your website set up yet. That should not have to stop you from reaching out to prospective clients or just getting your name out there. Today, I'm going to walk you through how you can create a professional looking website right within Canva. So let's jump straight into Canva and I will walk you through how to do this. Canva has thousands of templates for you to choose from, and the one we're going to use today is one for a website. So I'm going to create a new design, and if I type in the word website, this should be the first one that comes up. So the website is going to start super simple. We're going to create a name for this, and this is going to be our proposal website. Like I said, there's thousands of templates, so I'm just going to pick one at random for our example, but you can definitely build your own or use one of these to create your own. Okay, so this is just the header part of our website, or right now this would just be considered one page. I want this to be a couple different pages. One to welcome people to the website, one to list the services, and then an area for a contact us section. So here's our header section. So let's add another page and let's search for some services. I think this one looks pretty good. Now let's add one more page as a way for them to contact us. So let's search for a contact page. All right, this one is nice and simple and it will be easy to update. So here is our 3-page website. The first thing we want to do is customize this to fit our branding and our color scheme. Brand kits are a pro feature, so if you're using the free version, you'll just manually need to change your colors to match your branding. However, if you have a pro account, you can use branding features and your brand kit to update this automatically. You can either do this by shuffling your colors and let it automatically update, or we can change the colors individually. For example, if I want to change this purple background to the purple for my brand, I can easily do that. You can also bulk change the colors, so when I change this white color, we can choose to change all, so that all of the white text will now become black text. That makes it a lot easier to make your updates and match the branding to your own website. Let's do the same for the slime green color. Upload your own photos and make any other changes that you need to this header section. Now I want all these pages to feel more cohesive together, so I'm going to make sure that the backgrounds all match each other. And I want those service images to match more of what I'm going to be offering, so I'm going to use some free footage from Unsplash and some of the free stock footage that's already uploaded to Canva. For graphics and buttons, you can easily add links by clicking on the 3 dots and linking it, or using the keyboard shortcut Control-K. This way, when someone is viewing the website, they can just click on the icon and it will take them where you want them to go. Currently, we have this outline block and the text grouped together. So when I click Control-K, it's going to make this entire grouped area a link. And this is where you can either type in mail to with your email address. That will create a link directly to their email that will open a new composed email and have you in the to line. Alternatively, if you have a contact form or if you use something like Google Forms, then you may be able to just link directly to the form you can then fill out for all that information. So using a free Canva account with a free Google form, you can start to get new clients and interest forms generated without spending a penny on a new website. So now that we have our very basic website set up, we can go ahead and publish this. We're going to click Publish Website on the top right corner here, and then we can choose our new website URL. Once you've chosen your site, you can publish your website. It'll take just a moment to load in that design, and then you'll be able to send this link to anyone. So here's what my website looks not on Canva, but when someone comes directly to the website. It does have the Design with Canva option. Now I can click on Get a Free Proposal. It'll take me straight to my email where I can then email myself. One of the nicest things about this design is that you can update it at any time. So as you add new links or if you create your social media accounts, you can go in here and really easily update it. You can also update your service pricing by just a few clicks. You'll just want to make sure that anytime you are editing the design, you are republishing the website when you're done to save all the changes. Another great option for website designs, especially if you start to make it a little bit more complicated or add too many pages for it to be a one-page website, is you can add titles to your web pages. So let's call this one our homepage, let's call this one services, and our contact page. Now when I publish this website, I can choose to include the navigation menu. And this time when I visit the website, I can click through to the different pages using the navigation in the top right-hand corner. This makes it a lot easier than just scrolling all the way through, especially if you do start to add more information. In your publish settings, you can also change the browser tab preview and add a website description. You can add password protection if you don't want everyone to have access to this site, and you can choose if it's actually findable via search engine. If you ever want to remove the website, you can also choose to unpublish the website from this page as well. Here's a more robust example that I made off camera, just so you can see what this might look like. So if I was making a UGC contact creation website, you can see where you can actually add video and create a lot of different content to show a portfolio, add rates, and show more examples of what you can do, all within Canva. If you ever want to make your website look a little bit more professional and remove that Made with Canva banner at the bottom, all you have to do is add a custom domain. You can purchase a new domain through Canva, or you can use an existing domain if you've bought one somewhere else. Most domains cost under $20 a year, so paying $20 a year for a website is a lot cheaper than paying for an entire website builder, especially when you're just getting started. Even if you do have your website already set up, creating quick proposals or customized proposals for your clients within Canva can be a lot easier than adding entire new pages to your site. The other bonus here is that you can reuse these websites for each different client and essentially create your own template to work out of with all of your branding, your prices already in there, and then just customize it slightly for each client. You can add a link to anywhere. So if you have a contact form on your website, or if you want to link directly to a portal like Honeybook or Dubsado, you can create forms within there and move them right into your CRM system. Overhead costs can be overwhelming when you're just getting started as a freelancer. So I hope that this gave you the option for a much cheaper and more affordable website that still can look really professional and high-end without the huge price tag. If you would like to see more videos like this one, check out the rest of the Creators Essentials playlist, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.